If you give a pig a pancake. If you give a pig a pancake. She wants some syrup to go with it. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She probably get all sticky. So she want to take a bath. She ask you for some bubbles. She want you to come too. She look through your closet for a suitcase. Then she look under your bed. When she's under the bed, she find your old tap shoes. She try them on. She probably needs something special to wear with them. When she's all dressed, she asks for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece, and she start dancing. Then she want you to take her picture. So you'll have to get your camera. When she sees the picture, she asks you to take more. Then she want to send one to each of her friends. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps. And take her to the mailbox. On the way, she see the tree in your backyard. She single quotes LL want to build a tree house. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the tree house is finished, she want to decorate it. She asks for wallpaper and glue. When she hangs the wallpaper, she get all sticky. Feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. She probably asks you for some. And chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, she want a pancake to go with it.